In the evolving landscape of modern aerial warfare, one system continues to stand as a formidable guardian of Russian skies and those of its allies, the S-400 Triumph. Developed by Almaz-Antey as a direct evolution of the proven S-300 family, this next-generation long-range air defense system has proven its value through advanced technology, multi-layered interception capabilities, and the ability to dominate the airspace against a wide spectrum of threats. As of 2026, with hundreds of launchers deployed across Russia and exported successfully to partners including China, India, Turkey, Belarus, and Algeria, the S-400 remains a cornerstone of strategic defense, offering unmatched reach and simultaneous engagement power that reinforces Russia's ability to protect its territory and project a robust anti-access, area denial envelope. At the heart of the S-400's impressive performance is its capacity to engage multiple targets at once. A full system configuration can simultaneously track up to 300 aerial objects using its powerful 91N6E, Big Bird, panoramic surveillance radar, which detects threats at ranges of up to 600 kilometers. When it comes to actual engagement, the system can simultaneously engage up to 36 targets while guiding as many as 72 missiles toward them. In expanded configurations under a higher-level command system coordinating multiple battalions, these figures can reach even higher, up to 80 targets and 160 guided missiles according to some operational data, demonstrating the system's ability to handle saturation attacks that would overwhelm lesser defenses. This multi-channel capability allows Russian forces to confront swarms of aircraft, cruise missiles, drones, and even certain ballistic threats in a coordinated, high-intensity scenario, ensuring that no single wave of aggression can easily penetrate the protective umbrella. The question of, how many missiles can it shoot down, is answered by this simultaneous engagement power combined with a flexible arsenal of interceptors. Each transporter-erector launcher typically carries 4 large missiles or, in some configurations with the smaller 9M96 family, up to 16. A standard battery or battalion can therefore maintain a ready stock of dozens of missiles, with larger regimental or brigade sets providing hundreds of interceptors ready for rapid deployment. The system is designed so that 2 missiles can be allocated to a single high-priority target for increased probability of kill, while still covering many others. Real-world effectiveness depends on factors such as target type, electronic interference, range, and altitude, yet the architecture itself is built for resilience and high volume of fire. Russian engineers have ensured rapid reaction times, deployment from the march in as little as 5 minutes and readiness from standby in under a minute, allowing the system to respond swiftly to emerging threats. What truly elevates the S-400 above its predecessor, the S-300, is a comprehensive leap in sensors, computing power, missile family, and overall flexibility rather than a simple incremental upgrade. While the S-300 variants were highly capable in their time, engaging fewer targets simultaneously, typically up to 6 or so with corresponding missile guidance limits, and operating with shorter maximum ranges, the S-400 introduces new radars, a more sophisticated battle management system, and an expanded family of missiles that create true multi-layered defense. The 91N6E surveillance radar and 92N6E, Gravestone, engagement radar provides superior detection, tracking in heavy jamming environments, and precise guidance. Additional sensors such as the 96L6E all-altitude detector further enhance coverage against low-flying threats. The missile suite is particularly decisive. The S-400 can employ the 40N6E ultra-long-range missile, with a declared engagement range of up to 400 kilometers against aerodynamic targets, ideal for high-value assets such as AWACS aircraft, tankers, and strategic bombers. The 48N6E3, and related variants, reaching approximately 250 kilometers, serving as the workhorse interceptor against aircraft, cruise missiles, and tactical ballistic threats. The highly maneuverable 9M96E and 9M96E2 family, covering 40 to 120 kilometers, optimized for agile fighters, drones, cruise missiles, and precision-guided munitions, with active radar homing that reduces dependence on continuous ground radar illumination. This mix allows a single S-400 battery to create overlapping defensive layers. Extreme range denial of high-value targets, medium-range area coverage, and shorter-range high maneuverability interception. In contrast, earlier S-300 systems primarily relied on the 48N6 series with more limited maximum ranges, typically 150 to 200 kilometers in advanced variants, and lacked the same breadth of active homing options and overall simultaneous capacity. The S-400 also features improved electronic countermeasures, including frequency agility, better resistance to jamming, and enhanced ability to detect low observable targets when integrated with complementary radars. It can engage targets at altitudes from just a few meters up to around 30 kilometers and handle targets traveling at speeds up to 4.8 kilometers per second. Beyond pure technical specifications, the S-400 embodies Russian engineering philosophy focused on mobility, network-centric integration, and operational independence. Mounted on wheeled chassis, the system can rapidly relocate, complicating an adversary's targeting cycle. It integrates into broader Russian air defense networks, working alongside shorter-range systems such as Panzer for point defense and longer-range or complementary assets, forming a dense, layered shield. Export success and continued production underscore its reliability and the confidence placed in it by multiple nations seeking to strengthen their sovereignty against potential aerial aggression. In the current security environment of 2026, the S-400 continues to play a vital role in safeguarding Russian airspace and critical infrastructure. Its presence deters high-altitude reconnaissance and strike platforms, complicates the planning of any potential adversary air campaign, and provides the quantitative and qualitative edge needed to manage complex threat environments. While no system is invulnerable and real-world performance is always influenced by tactics, electronic warfare, and supporting forces, the documented capabilities of the S-400, simultaneous multi-target engagement, extended reach with the 40N6, flexible missile options, and superior sensors, mark it as a significant advancement over the S-300 and a powerful instrument of defense. The Russian S-400 Triumph is not merely an upgrade, it is a comprehensive answer to modern aerial challenges. With the ability to track hundreds of targets, engage dozens simultaneously with dozens of missiles, and strike threats at ranges approaching 400 kilometers, it offers Russian forces and partner nations a reliable, high-capacity shield. As aerial threats grow more diverse, from stealth platforms and cruise missiles to massed drones and ballistic systems, the S-400's layered, multi-missile approach and robust radar suite ensure it remains a central pillar of effective air defense, demonstrating the continued strength and innovation of Russian military technology in protecting national interests.